In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Skype group in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Skype or a seasoned user looking to connect with a new group, you'll find these steps straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive right in and get you connected with your group in no time. First things first, fire up your web browser and navigate to the Skype website. You can easily do this by typing web.skype.com into your browser's address bar. Upon reaching the site, you'll be greeted with the option to open Skype in browser. Go ahead and click on that. If you're not already signed into your Skype account, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your login credentials and sign in to proceed. This step ensures that you're ready to access your Skype chats and groups seamlessly. Once you're logged in and looking at the Skype dashboard, it's time to locate your chat invite. This is usually sent to you by the group administrator or another member of the group via email or through a direct Skype message. The invite is essentially your golden ticket into the group, containing a unique link that you'll need to click on to join. After locating the invite, simply click on the invite link. This action will direct you to a page confirming your interest to join the specified Skype group. It's all automated and designed to make your experience smooth and hassle-free. Remember, this step is crucial for joining the group, so make sure you click on the correct link. Following the invite link click, you'll be presented with an option to start call. This might seem a bit forward if you're not ready to jump straight into a voice or video call with the group, but don't worry. Clicking start call doesn't immediately put you into a live call. Instead, it finalizes your request to join the group. After clicking this, you'll officially be part of the group and can start engaging with other members, whether through text, voice, or video at your own pace. And there you have it. Joining a Skype group is as easy as that. A few simple steps and you're ready to connect with colleagues, friends, or family. Remember, Skype is a powerful tool for communication, offering various features to enhance your chatting experience. Don't hesitate to explore these once you've joined your group and make the most out of your Skype interactions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you join your desired Skype group with ease. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to navigate your digital world effortlessly.